Hello. I would like to check in. Hello. I would like to check in.
Hello. Welcome to our hotel. Hello. Welcome to our hotel.
My name is Daniel Tran. My name is Daniel Tran.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Tran. Nice to meet you, Mr. Tran.
I have a reservation for tonight. I have a reservation for tonight.
Great. May I see your booking confirmation? Great. May I see your booking confirmation?
Yes, here it is on my phone. Yes, here it is on my phone.
Thank you. Let me check it. Thank you. Let me check it. Is it for one night or 2 nights? Is it for one night or 2 nights?
2 nights, please. 2 nights, please.
Okay. 1 room for 1 person, right? Okay. 1 room for 1 person, right?
Actually for 2 people. Actually for 2 people.
No problem. I will update it. No problem. I will update it. What time did you arrive today? What time did you arrive today?
I arrived about 10 minutes ago. I arrived about 10 minutes ago.
Great. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and your room is ready. Great. Check-in starts at 2 p.m. and your room is ready.
Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
May I have your passport or ID, please? May I have your passport or ID, please?
Sure. Here's my passport. Sure. Here's my passport.
Thank you. I will take a quick look. Thank you. I will take a quick look. Could you confirm your phone number? Could you confirm your phone number?
Yes. It is 0901-234-567. Yes. It is 0901-234-567.
Thank you. And your email address? Thank you. And your email address?
It is hellocoffee.vn@gmail.com. It is hellocoffee.vn@gmail.com.
Got it. Do you prefer a king bed or twin beds? Got it. Do you prefer a king bed or twin beds?
A king bed, please. A king bed, please.
All right. Non-smoking room, correct? All right. Non-smoking room, correct?
Yes, non-smoking. Yes, non-smoking.
Thank you. I will finish your check-in now. Thank you. I will finish your check-in now.
Do I need to pay now? Do I need to pay now?
Yes, you can pay now or at checkout. Yes, you can pay now or at checkout.
I will pay now, please. I will pay now, please.
Sure. The total is 2,400,000 VND for 2 nights. Sure. The total is 2,400,000 VND for 2 nights.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard. Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Here is my card. Here is my card.
Thank you. Please insert the card and enter your PIN. Thank you. Please insert the card and enter your PIN.
Okay, done. Okay, done.
Great. Payment approved. Great. Payment approved.
Is there a deposit? Is there a deposit?
Yes, the deposit is 500,000 VND. Yes, the deposit is 500,000 VND.
Can I pay the deposit by card too? Can I pay the deposit by card too?
Yes, that is fine. Yes, that is fine.
Please do that. Please do that.
All right. 1 moment, please. All right. 1 moment, please. Done. The deposit will be refunded at checkout. Done. The deposit will be refunded at checkout.
Thank you for explaining. Thank you for explaining.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Could you sign here, please? Could you sign here, please?
Sure. Here you go. Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Great. Great.
Do you need help with your luggage? Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I can carry it. No, I can carry it.
Okay. Your room is on the 8th floor. Okay. Your room is on the 8th floor.
What is the room number? What is the room number?
It is room 812. It is room 812.
Thank you. Thank you.
Here is your key card. Here is your key card.
How many key cards do I get? How many key cards do I get?
2 key cards. 2 key cards.
Perfect. Perfect.
Breakfast is included in your booking. Breakfast is included in your booking.
What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast?
From 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. From 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Where is the breakfast area? Where is the breakfast area?
It is on the 2nd floor next to the pool. It is on the 2nd floor next to the pool.
Great. Thank you. Great. Thank you.
Do you need the Wi-Fi information? Do you need the Wi-Fi information?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
The Wi-Fi name is Sunrise Hotel, and the password is 12345678. The Wi-Fi name is Sunrise Hotel, and the password is 12345678.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it.
Checkout time is 12 noon. Checkout time is 12 noon.
Can I check out later? Can I check out later?
Late checkout is possible depending on availability. Late checkout is possible depending on availability.
I will ask tomorrow. I will ask tomorrow.
Sure, just let us know. Sure, just let us know.
How do I get to the elevator? How do I get to the elevator?
Go straight, then turn left. The elevator is at the end. Go straight, then turn left. The elevator is at the end.
Do I need the key card to use the elevator? Do I need the key card to use the elevator?
Yes, please tap your key card on the reader. Yes, please tap your key card on the reader.
Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks.
The gym is open 24 hours. The gym is open 24 hours.
Nice. Where is the gym? Nice. Where is the gym?
It is on the 3rd floor. It is on the 3rd floor.
Is the pool open now? Is the pool open now?
Yes, the pool is open until 9 p.m. Yes, the pool is open until 9 p.m.
Do you have a laundry service? Do you have a laundry service?
Yes, laundry service is available. The price list is in your room. Yes, laundry service is available. The price list is in your room.
Great, great.
If you need anything, call the front desk by dialing 0. If you need anything, call the front desk by dialing 0.
Okay, I will. Okay, I will.
Would you like a wake-up call? Would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, please call me at 6 a.m. Yes, please call me at 6 a.m.
Sure, I will set it up. Sure, I will set it up.
Thank you, thank you.
Do you need an extra blanket or pillow? Do you need an extra blanket or pillow?
An extra pillow, please. An extra pillow, please.
No problem. We will send it to your room. No problem. We will send it to your room.
How long will it take? How long will it take?
About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes.
Great. I will wait in the room. Great. I will wait in the room.
Here is a map of the hotel. Here is a map of the hotel.
Thanks. Where's the nearest convenience store? Thanks. Where's the nearest convenience store?
It is across the street, on the right. It is across the street, on the right.
Is it open late? Is it open late?
Yes, it is open 24 hours. Yes, it is open 24 hours.
Good to know. Good to know.
Would you like a taxi or a car booking? Would you like a taxi or a car booking?
Not now, but maybe later. Not now, but maybe later.
Sure, we can help anytime. Sure, we can help anytime.
One more question. Is there a safe in the room? One more question. Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, there is a safe in the closet. Yes, there is a safe in the closet.
Great, great.
Please keep your key cards away from your phone. Please keep your key cards away from your phone.
Why is that? Why is that?
The phone can demagnetize the card. The phone can demagnetize the card.
Okay, I will be careful. Okay, I will be careful. Excuse me, my key card is not working. Excuse me, my key card is not working.
I am sorry about that. May I see the card? I am sorry about that. May I see the card?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
Let me reset it. Let me reset it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, please try it now. Okay, please try it now.
It works now. It works now.
Great. Sorry again for the trouble. Great. Sorry again for the trouble.
No problem. No problem. Hi again. The air conditioner's too cold. Hi again. The air conditioner's too cold.
I understand. Would you like a warmer setting? I understand. Would you like a warmer setting?
Yes, please. I do not know how to use it. Yes, please. I do not know how to use it.
No worries. I can guide you. No worries. I can guide you. Press this button, then set it to 26 degrees. Press this button, then set it to 26 degrees.
Okay, I will try. Okay, I will try.
If it still feels cold, we can send a technician. If it still feels cold, we can send a technician.
Thank you. That is helpful. Thank you. That is helpful. Also, can I get 2 bottles of water? Also, can I get 2 bottles of water?
Yes, we provide 2 free bottles per day. Yes, we provide 2 free bottles per day.
Great, great.
We will send them up now. We will send them up now.
Thanks. Thanks. Hi, is there an iron in the room? Hi, is there an iron in the room?
Yes, there is an iron and ironing board. Yes, There is an iron and ironing board.
I did not see it. I did not see it.
It is in the closet, next to the safe. It is in the closet, next to the safe.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Can you store my luggage after checkout tomorrow? Can you store my luggage after checkout tomorrow?
Yes, we can store it for free until 6 p.m. Yes, we can store it for free until 6 p.m.
Perfect. Perfect.
Please bring it to the front desk. Please bring it to the front desk.
Sure. Sure. Where can I buy a SIM card nearby? Where can I buy a SIM card nearby?
There is a mobile shop next to the convenience store. There is a mobile shop next to the convenience store.
How far is it? How far is it?
About a 3-minute walk. About a 3-minute walk.
Great. Thanks. Great. Thanks. Is there a quiet room? I am a light sleeper. Is there a quiet room? I am a light sleeper.
Yes, we can move you to a quieter room if needed. Yes, we can move you to a quieter room if needed.
I will see how it is tonight. I will see how it is tonight.
Sure, please tell us anytime. Sure, please tell us anytime.
Do you have earplugs? Do you have earplugs?
Yes, we have free earplugs at the front desk. Yes, we have free earplugs at the front desk.
Can I have a pair? Can I have a pair?
Of course. Here you are. Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Could you recommend a good local restaurant? Could you recommend a good local restaurant?
Sure. There is a noodle shop 5 minutes away. Sure. There is a noodle shop 5 minutes away.
What is it called? What is it called?
It is called Pho Hua. It is called Pho Hua.
Is it open now? Is it open now?
Yes. It is open until 10 p.m. Yes. It is open until 10 p.m.
Nice. I will go there. Nice. I will go there.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Hi, Emma. Can I extend my stay by one night? Hi, Emma. Can I extend my stay by one night?
Let me check availability. Let me check availability. Yes, we have the same room available. Yes, we have the same room available.
Great. How much is one more night? Great. How much is one more night?
It is 1,200,000 VND for one night. It is 1,200,000 VND for one night.
Okay, please add it. Okay, please add it.
Sure. Would you like to pay now? Sure. Would you like to pay now?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
All right. Please insert your card again. All right. Please insert your card again.
Done. Done.
Payment approved. Payment approved.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your new checkout date is Sunday. Your new checkout date is Sunday.
Can I have late checkout on Sunday? Can I have late checkout on Sunday?
We can offer 1 p.m. late checkout for free. We can offer 1 p.m. late checkout for free.
That is perfect. That is perfect.
Please confirm again on Sunday morning. Please confirm again on Sunday morning.
Okay. I will. Okay. I will.
Do you need anything else today? Do you need anything else today?
No, that is all. No, that is all.
All right. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Tran. All right. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Tran.
Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.